Negosyante ka nga pero nagsisweldo ka naman ba sa business mo? Maraming negosyante yung pinagkakasya na para sa sarili nila kung ano yung matitirang pera sa business nila after paying all expenses, sweldo, suppliers, and utilities. Normal yon, lalo na kung bago yung business. Ang problema, aabot tayo sa point na mafu-frustrate yung business owner, susuko at isasara na lang yung negosyo kasi hindi na sustainable eh. Napapagod ka without compensation. To prevent this, kailangan aware ka kung ano ang potential ng business mo. By using cloud-based accounting tools that gives you visibility of your financials, madali mo mamamonitor how your business is doing so you stay motivated hanggang maabot mo yung goal mo. May dahilan kang kumapit hanggang makuha mo na yung sweldo na deserve mo. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.